How to stop call recording in Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can stop call recording in Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your phone or dialer application. After that, tap on three dot at the top right, and that's gonna take you to your settings page. Once you're here, there search for an option as call recording and then tap on it. There you will find an option like record all calls, record unknown numbers, or selected contacts. From there you have to toggle off all the call recording options. So if you have those options available, make sure that you toggle it off. So that's it. That's how you could turn off call recording from Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.